Hey, everybody. Welcome back. We are live here at ITW 2023. I can't believe it. This is a happening floor. It's exciting to be here. Welcome to ITW Xtra, powered by JSA TV, the official broadcast of ITW 2023. I'm Jamie Scotto-Katias, EO of JSA, and I am so excited to have here with us on the floor today, Mr. Scotty Benda, Chief Product Officer at Light River. Scotty, welcome to JSA TV.
Thanks for having me.
It's an honor. It's a pleasure. I know it's a very exciting, busy ITW. You guys are killing it here.
Yeah.
But let's just, for our viewers who may not already know, can you tell us a little bit about Light River?
Sure. So Light River, it's a leading integrator for optical and telecommunications networks. We have the ability to design, deploy, and automate your network. So it's really, we become a business partner to our customers and partners.
Absolutely. Full suite. And we should also say in 2023, just recently, Light River's Netflex announced a significant expansion.
Yeah.
And it's the open optical network ecosystem. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Sure. So Netflex, it's our multi-vendor, multi-domain, multi-product orchestration and automation platform. And that's a mouthful. What it really means is that we partner with a lot of companies, and this release includes updates by Nokia for a lot of their OTN, as well as some of their fiber optic characterization capabilities, for Ciena and their RLS platform, for Cisco and their circuit emulation platform, also Juniper with some of their layer 1, and also Smart Optics for their DCP 404 100 gig aggregation platform, as well as their DCP ROADM platform. So it's a big release, and we're really excited about bringing it to market.
Oh my goodness. So much to unravel there. And you guys are doing a fine job of it. And, you said smart makes me think about, and Chief Product Officer, you're aptly the person to ask this, but we'd love your thoughts on ChatGPT and AI, and what does this mean? Where are we going with this all?
Yeah, it's really interesting. Part of the ITW show, something that's coming up in all of the conversations is ChatGPT and artificial intelligence. My dad was a programmer on the IBM 360 mainframe. My early career was writing software at Nortel. And so we started experimenting with ChatGPT. We've got a number of the employees at Light River and the test engineering team that are also testing it. You have the ability to create software, subroutines, analytics, calculations, and you can generate it in any language just by a voice command. You can generate it in Perl, basic programming, all the way through Pascal, C, C++, etc. So it's pretty amazing. And the way that some of our engineers are using it is you can actually tell it to create a configuration, so a scripted configuration for a Cisco router, a Juniper router, etc. The extent of this platform is so powerful, that people are really excited about the good that it can bring, but they're also nervous about some of the other things. Some of the conversations we're having here is about, upskilling and reskilling your employees because of what ChatGPT is bringing to the marketplace. For Mother's Day this past weekend, I actually had it write a poem for my mother. I mean, that's literally how expansive it is.
It is. It's so expansive. But one thing that's always been, for me, a hallmark of your Light River brand is the quality of people that you have. So not only, will ChatGPT and AI provide that technical prowess and give you that, immediate capabilities, if you will, and insight and code. But then you also have the amazing human oversight to really keep driving what your brand is known for, which is that personal touch, if you will.
I mean, one of the things that we're involved with is we're involved with the OpenXR forum, as well as the OpenZR Plus forum.
Yeah.
And, we do a lot of interoperability testing for them to allow them to test their, pre-GA products to make sure that they're, backwards compatible with solutions they have in the marketplace, as well as forward looking. And we're definitely going to be leveraging ChatGPT to help us automate a lot of that functionality. So it's going to be
so exciting.
Helpful.
Yeah.
Sure.
Very exciting. Talking about exciting, ITW. You're having such a great show. What's your take back from like looking back at day one? And
so it was a great day one. The keynote speakers came out and they did a fantastic job, but there were several key themes that came out. A lot of it, obviously, historically, this has been a strong submarine trade show. And what we see is it's really building on the momentum from PTC and OFC to ITW. And we're definitely putting out, a lot more cables, submarine cables, and a lot more capacity. And the more capacity they put out, it's still being consumed by the data centers.
Mm-hmm.
The data centers, they're really struggling to keep up. And talking to a couple of our customers, one of the challenges they're having is driven by ChatGPT, and it's causing what's called data gravity or higher data gravity for the data centers, meaning if you have a large data set and people are doing queries that increase that data set, what data gravity means is it makes it harder for those companies to move those workloads to a compute facility that can accommodate them. Yeah. So it's, data centers, artificial intelligence, and then, of course, a lot of people are still talking about the standards bodies and the importance of, driving open standards across the network.
Amazing. Yes.
Yeah.
Key trends. Absolutely. I'll throw in sustainability in there too, because
absolutely.
One of my passion plays, right? Getting greener data.
I think there's a greener data party tonight, right?
Oh, you so know it.
Giddy up.
4:00, we'll be talking to panelists from incredible companies. And then at 5:00, we'll be serving greener martinis, of course. So always another key aspect to ITW, the networking.
All right.
Yeah. And okay, so what can we expect from Light River looking forward into 2023?
So, I kind of talked about Netflix and release 4.7.1. We've got the largest release ever coming in release 4.8 in the June-ish timeframe.
Wow.
In addition to that, we're opening 2 managed servers, one in Europe, or one system in Europe and one system in North America. And we're going to be using that to drive our SaaS solutions using Netflix so that we can go down market. So for smaller customers that don't want to make that huge investment up front or the way that they want to capitalize it, that SaaS server could be a good solution for them as well.
All right. So where can our viewers go to learn more about Light River and your award-winning Netflix?
Hey, so you can go to lightriver.com. You can also check out Grain Management, which references a lot of our solutions. So Grain happens to be the private equity owner of Light River. Yeah. And then, of course, you can always shoot me an email as well, benda@lightriver.com. Easy enough.
Love it. I love it. All right. Thank you so much, Scotty, for joining us here on JSA TV. This was your first JSA TV interview?
Yeah, we had a couple.
Well, welcome back then. And thank you, viewers, for tuning in to ITW Xtra, powered by JSA TV. Happy networking.